So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'll show you how to follow a user on Instagram. So let's get started. At first, make sure you have the Instagram app downloaded from Google Play Store or App Store, and also make sure that you have logged into your account. So let's open it. And this is the homepage of your Instagram account. Now to follow a user, you can scroll down and tap on user profile, or you can even search it from the search icon which is available on the lower corner of left side. So tap on it, then tap on search which is available on the top screen of your device. So tap on it, then search here like this. Then you will see the option of follow on blue highlighted icon, so tap on it. Now you will see the option of following, and tap on following, and you can see the option of mute, restrict, unfollow and many more. You can customize it from here as well. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, have a great day.